Filipino worker for her opening remarks. Ms. Charis Quiaso.
Parang ayaw ko nang magsalita, ang ganda ng introduction. Kinakabahan ako kasi ang ganda. But anyway guys, I just want to thank all of you for coming us today. Thank you so much. Every nasa harapan talaga ako, alam nyo na yon. Yun ang pakiusap ko sa lahat na we are only 3 speakers sa harapan. So kung pwedeng ibigay nyo yung, it's only 5 to 10 minutes kaming magsasalita. Kasi we have to self-respect sa sarili natin na kung may nagsasalita, huwag din tayong magsasalita. We have a lot of times na magsasalita tayo dyan sa talikuran. Maraming salamat po, mag-umpisa na ako. Pag once na maingay, hihinto ko yung speech ko, kausapin ko na naman kayo ulit. Maraming salamat. So good morning to one and all. Before anything else, on behalf of the United Overseas Filipino Workers of BAPOS, I would like to acknowledge and welcoming all of you for coming us today. As we commemorate, yung mga nakatayo dyan, please, huwag mo nang maingay. As we commemorate the 11th year anniversary of the organization, featuring induction right, UFW The Boys 2024 Season 3, and Search for Miss UFW of BAPOS 2024. So to our dearest Honorary Consul of the Philippines and the Republic of Cyprus, Nicosia, Attorney Criton Tornerites, thank you so much. Wala ba kayong mga kamay, guys? Thank you so much, sir. Without any hesitation, you accepted our invitation to be with us today. Thank you for the love of support. And to my dearest kababayan, sa lahat po ng mga mahal kong kababayan, hindi po namin magawa to ng UFW o BAPOS kung wala po kayo sa harapan namin. Taos puso at iklop tuhod po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo. From the different cities of Cyprus, from Larnaca, wala bang mga taga Larnaca? My loves, thank you for coming. Nicosia, nasaan yung mga my loves ko sa Nicosia? Thank you so much. From Limassol ITC and the rest of the organization, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to all the respected judges na nasa harapan ko po, sila po yung mga hurado kung sinong manalo ng UFW The Boys 2024 and Search for Miss UFW BAPOS 2024. And also to all the judges for sharing your immense time, maraming salamat. And of course to all the respected members, officers, and leader sa lahat po ng organization. You are 20 organization na nandito po ngayon sa araw na to. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I-mention ko po Ma'am Grace Arguero, thank you ma'am for being with us today. Pres Pamela Sali, maraming salamat. Wala ba tayong mga kamay guys? We'll keep on continue and we make it happy na masaya sila. And Ma'am Armelita Sunga, Dear Bali Panganiban, Pres Josh Betuin, para wala akong kaligtaan, lapitan niyo ako kasi gusto kong i-acknowledge kayo dito sa harapan. And Pres DJ Spicar from ITC, President Yenyen Obial, Creator Annie Prisha, Rod Canning, the President of UOG HFC, Pres Lilibet Bello, Miss Florinda Bulawit on behalf of Carol Bangawan, nandito po yung secretary natin, and Ate Carmen Lauderes, tama po yung pronunciation ko, te. And Pres Jane Telenya, na-mention ko po ba lahat? Maraming salamat sa inyo. And I would like to express my deepest thanks and appreciation sa owner po ng Aquamari Hotel and Aquamari Beach Hotel and Spa, Mr. Yoano. I-check ko muna.